Yo, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have something really special, something really fun. Today's gonna be, it's called the watermelon challenge. And it's basically we have a watermelon here and we're gonna make it explode by putting rubber bands around it. And for that, I have my niece right here to help me.
Hello.
Right here. Say hi to her, say hi to YouTube, hello. So my niece is gonna help me do this. We're gonna start putting rubber bands around the watermelon and we'll see what happens after. Alright boys, so I really hope you enjoy this video. Now if you do, don't forget to drop a big thumbs up. Alright, so get ready and let's get this started. Alright, so this is the challenge. Basically what we have to do is to put rubber bands around this watermelon, and I hope we have enough rubber bands until the time that the watermelon will just explode. So this is gonna be really fun. So let's get started. Almost there. See, that's a lot of rubber bands. I don't know how many rubber bands we need, but as you can see, that's a lot of rubber bands already. And we only have like this much. I don't know if we're gonna have enough. I think I'm gonna have to go get more. But don't worry, this is gonna happen. So let's keep it up.
What if we, it's like, how are we gonna do this at the end? We're gonna have like thousands of rubber bands.
This is one tough watermelon. Look at that. Should blow up by now. We're running out of rubber bands. I don't know what we're gonna do. Yep, guys, we got 9 bags of rubber bands in this watermelon. Now, this is one tough watermelon. I don't know what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna need more rubber bands. I think I'm gonna have to go get some more rubber bands because this is not gonna work. Look at this.
After like the third, fourth time.
Yeah, this is like the 3rd time I get rubber bands. It's still not going anywhere. Alright folks, check it out. We ran out of rubber bands last time. This is day 2 of this video because we ran out and this watermelon is still standing. This is one tough watermelon. As you can see, this is day 2 and we're gonna continue until it really blows up, because look at this. Right here there's 9 bags of rubber bands. So we're gonna continue doing this. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, these are the rubber bands we got from my friend and we're gonna continue. Let's see what happens. Alright, come on. Look at this. This is one tough watermelon. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I don't know how much is it gonna take, but this has gotta go down soon.
Oh my gosh.
breaking.
This won't work out of all of the rubber bands. I am going to karate chop it. Oh my gosh, why is there water on it?
Because it's breaking.
It's breaking, guys! The water is dripping out. What does it taste like? Oh my gosh, it's totally dripping out. I want to see what it tastes like. Oh gosh, it's really sweet. The sour part is from the skin, but that's the water. That's not just water. That's the water from the melon.
It's gonna break. It's gonna break. It's gonna break.
I thought this was chill, but it was like...
It's gonna break. 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 Oh!
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god, you man is leaving. Get out of here!
Oh my gosh, we should have gotten spoons to try it. I'm all wet now. My face is wet.
Oh man!
Hey, pretty good.
That was sick! That was bad. Look at this.
It's a little sour.
Why are you eating it?
I don't know.
Maybe
It's
it went
watermelon. Watermelon is supposed to be delicious.
Mm.
I think it's rotten or something.
No, I think it went bad because of the rubber bands. Like, it held the taste for the rubber bands. Look at this.
How does that work?
Look at this, guys.
How does that work?
All these rubber bands. That's a lot of pressure. That's like more than 100 pounds of pressure.
Really? Let me see.
Yeah,
It
look
is
at that.
pretty heavy, actually.
Oh my god, look at this. Oh. What?
It just shocked.
You screamed like, oh. Look at that.
Oh my
That
gosh,
was crazy.
I didn't think it was possible.
It is now. Oh my god, that was crazy.
It's all mushy inside.
Yeah. Why? We crushed it. That's why. We squished it, and now it might not taste the same.
It's disgusting. Look at this. This is.
I don't know if it still works. You think it's still good?
I don't know.
All right, check it out. We did it. We managed to break it in half with rubber bands, and see, the results is a whole ball of rubber band. You know, so I don't know if it bounces.
Oh, it bounces.
Look at this. It bounces.
Oh, I want to try. I want to try.
Oh well, this is it. Guys, I hope you really enjoyed. Let me know what you think about this. It took us 2 days, and more than a bunch of bags of rubber bands. We spent a lot of time here, way too much time here trying to make this break with rubber bands, and I got the help of my niece here. Thank you, Hannah, for helping us. Thank you for helping make this video. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below, guys. So this is it for this video. You know, we're signing out. It's pretty cold outside. I might not be doing vlogs outside because since, you know, it's New York, it's getting really, really cold. So I might be like inside. Look at her. She has a jacket on. Like, I don't have a sweater on, but I'm still cold. Alright, boys. So this is it. This is the end of this video. So guys, if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a big thumbs up. Alright, boys. So I'm signing out. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Don't forget to comment. And as always, thank you so much for watching. My name is Unbreakable. with my niece. And I'll see you next time. All right.